Hello guys, welcome back to another video. This time I decided to post it on YouTube mainly because I don't have to press it, because every time I need to post on Instagram it needs to be a shorter video. So I'm gonna go as every Monday, mainly on a market outlook. I'm gonna talk about BTC and S&P 500, a couple of forex pairs, and I'm gonna leave you with a couple of tips. So first of all, make sure if you're not subscribed, subscribe to the channel. Share this video to someone that may be interested to watch it, and I'm gonna try to cultivate this thing a bit more, especially in the future. As soon as I finish working at some project, I'm gonna be more free, I'm gonna have more time. I mean, definitely not for this summer, because I plan to go to a big holiday, but overall I plan to keep constantly uploading on YouTube and on my Instagram page, just to let you know. So overall, this week we have the PMI and GBP monetary policy. I'm not gonna go through the calendar. You can do it by yourself. Just make sure every time you're not in the market at those times, or if you want to be in the market, you are already in when those news release happens, because we don't know the direction. Most of the times it's not even correlated with the news. So make sure you're safe, you're trading safe, so that you can stay longer in the game enough to succeed. So let's go into Euro USD. So mainly, as you can see here, we are making new highs. So I do see this high to be taken before we actually roll over. We are into a bearish area right here. So I'm expecting some movement. We start to see a reaction, but if we go in a slightly lower time frame, let's say on the 1 hour, what we can see here is this. So we switched bullish. Here we can see the blue is the swing low and the swing high, and then we switch bullish into the retracement as well. You can see this is the swing high, the swing low, and the break the high, but we still didn't break this. So this is my first target. I do want to see this liquidity here to be taken, so probably I'm gonna be waiting for a for a trade into this area to take out this high. This can be a good opportunity, or in case we break these lows, then I'm gonna reevaluate all the scenarios. So for now, I'm waiting price to tap into this area, especially in the 13-minute. We see there is a couple of clear candles here after this order block has been mitigated. So I do expect this. This is my, let's say, scenario on Euro USD. And then we go into GJ. GJ, we've been talking about this high for a long time, has been finally taken last week. I hope you managed to, to take this analysis and to make the best out of it. So what we have here, as every time we break a high, take profit, price start retracement motion. So what I'm expecting overall is just price to tap into more premium areas and to slowly retrace into some major levels like these ones before then finding enough buyers and making a new high. So this is my scenario on GJ. So right now we're just in the middle. So every time what you want to do is, to take the low, to take the high, understand which one is the most discounted area where price, can be. As we know here, this is the 50%. So anything below here is optimal, especially for swingers. Personally, I use this just as an understanding on where the main, let's say, order flow is gonna go. So after, if we want to go in the 1 hour, you can see that we have a couple of break of structure, a couple of area of interest where price may get, and we can anticipate a move. But rather than that, we have some liquidity which I expect to be taken. But the main thing is, after every time we break the high, expect price to start retracement motion. This mainly because of the profit taking of the institutions. After that, we go into BTC. So BTC still gravitating in this area, the 30K. We are creating liquidity. I won't be surprised if we dip slightly lower. Maybe we take this liquidity right here, or maybe we tap into this area, but I do expect this high to be taken, this one here, this liquidity. So I do expect price to break up. I'm not sure when, I'm not sure which one can be the catalyst, maybe the PPI this week for the USD. But yeah, this is the opinion. Overall, the crypto market has been, taking a little hit, especially because it's highly correlated with BTC. But overall, especially if the US government is gonna keep printing money, we're gonna see definitely a relief in the all the risk on assets, especially cryptos, shares, indices, this kind of stuff. That's why we can go 1 second to see the S&P 500 more on the daily. So, we're still here, still gravitating towards this level. I do expect a push higher on this one, probably taking out this first eye, and then let's see from there what happens. Overall, one tip I want to leave you with is the following. So most of the times you're not gonna see profitability if you keep trading low, small account. That's why I really I really want to talk about the prop firm situation. So most of the times you get used to prop firms, and this is not really useful for your mindset, because think about it, you spend £500, now you have 100k account, and let's say you want to risk a percentage of that account is £1,000, but in the end, in your mind, you just, let's say, losing £500 of the investment, the initial investment, or maybe not even that, because maybe you get to do your first refund, so you not even have any money left on the table, and that's something that really plays with you, because you're not risking anything at the end of the day, and you're kind of taking shitty trades, or maybe you're kind of risking on not A plus setups, kind of putting that money on the lane, which you will not put if with your own personal account. And that's why I really wish you and no wish you, I really want to promote the fact that it's the best solution to profitability is to have your personal account, because that's really gonna put yourself in the position of deciding, okay, is this setup worth risking this amount of money? And if you correlate having that real account with a pro firm account, then you can take the same trades, which is gonna be justified. So for example, okay, I'm risking, let's say, 200, 300 pounds on my real account for this trade, which means this is a high probability trade, which I will take in my personal, and therefore I'm gonna take it in my prop firm account too. And that's something that really is really helping me out, especially on accepting the loss. If you kind of accept 300-400 pound losses, you're really making progress, because if you want to make money in this game, then you need to accept big amount. Let's say you want to make 5,000 in one day, then you need to accept losing 1,000 in one day. And that's just something is gonna help train your mind to think in probabilities and to think in percentage, because you're not gonna say, okay, I lost £100 today. You're gonna say, for example, I lost 1%, or you're not gonna say I lost £1,000 today. You're gonna say I lost a percent of my account. This is the way you want to think at trading as a business. So trading is your business. You have your, let's say, initial investment, and you need to think about, let's say, the next quarter. So after 3 months, you sit down, you see, okay, how much was the profit for this quarter, which was the mistake, which improvements I can make, and then you pay yourself. Because if you trade with the mindset of I need to get paid this month, then you kind of forcing the trades, or maybe you are, let's say, taking out money every month, which is not useful for the growth of your account. So I really suggest you do it like on a quarterly base. So every quarter you understand, you see, okay, I made 20%, let's say 20, 10, 11, whatever you made. I'm gonna decide to remove 5-6% as a profit share for your business as an owner. And then use the rest. So that's why you want to build more streams of income, because trading is just another stream. So you want to have multiple streams that contribute to your, let's say, monthly coverage. You want to live below your means to accumulate wealth, to help investing in assets that can generate profit and can help you even become even wealthier in the future. But yeah, this has been quite a long video, so I hope you guys enjoyed. I'm gonna come back with some more content in the page and in the YouTube channel. So I wish you an amazing week and stay tuned. See you at the next one.